Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make almond milk just in 2 minutes at home. Along with it, I'll be sharing one weight loss smoothie which is sugar free, which is dairy free. This is specially for the people who are lactose intolerant or who are turning into vegans. Vegan are those people who don't take any of the dairy products. But does it mean that we cannot have smoothies? No, right? We can have smoothies with these almond milk, cashew milk or coconut milk, okay? So in this video, I'm going to share you very quickly your breakfast recipe or your evening snack. So without any further ado, let's get started.
To make 1.5 glass of almond milk, here I am taking 15 almonds. I am soaking it in half a glass of water. You can soak them overnight if you want to make the almond milk in the morning, or else you can soak it for 5 to 6 hours. And next you have to peel the almonds once it is soaked properly for 5 to 6 hours. Into a blending jar, put all the peeled almonds and blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1.5 glass of fresh water into it. If you are making it fresh to make any cold coffee or any smoothie, you can also add chilled water. Low in sugar, free from all the saturated fats but high in good fats. Take a glass tumbler or a mug and strain the almond milk. Make sure all the residue of the almonds are separated properly from the almond milk. This is the residue that I got from almond milk. This looks more like paneer. You can have it with jaggery powder or honey, or maybe you can mix it with some sandwich filling and have. Now my vegan milk is ready. This is the perfect consistency that I like to pour in my cold coffee or in smoothies. You can put it in a refrigerator, make it chill and then make the smoothies. To make banana cocoa oat smoothie, here I am taking 2 ripe bananas. I have chopped it into some pieces. My freshly squeezed almond milk that I have chilled for a while. Then some cocoa powder. I have taken unsweetened cocoa powder and some rolled oats. I have roasted these rolled oats for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Then some chia seeds. Then to add some sweetness, I am taking 5 dates and 1 tablespoon of honey. This is the organic honey. Now I'll quickly put all the ingredients into my blending jar. Banana helps you to improve your digestion, insulin sensitivity, good in antioxidant and keeps you full for longer time. I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of rolled oats which I have roasted well. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds I am putting now. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Rest of the things I'll put while I garnish the smoothie. Since we are making no refined sugar smoothie, I am taking 5 seedless dates here. Then I'll be adding freshly squeezed almond milk. If you want extra sweetness, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey while mixing the smoothie. Cover the blending jar and blend the smoothie for 2 to 3 minutes until the consistency is achieved. It should be little thick and the ingredients should have mixed properly. And now your quick and healthy breakfast is ready to be served. This will definitely keep you full for 2 to 3 hours because of banana, because of almond milk and oats into it, which eventually keeps you full for longer hours. Now to give that extra crunch, I am adding rolled oats over it. Rolled oats are gluten-free whole grains which are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fibers. It contains soluble fiber called as beta-glucan which eventually reduces your cholesterol, blood sugar level, increases good bacteria in your digestive tract. Then I am adding some chia seeds over it. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. It boosts your metabolic rate a lot. It is loaded with antioxidants. The fiber and protein present in the chia seeds help in your weight loss journey. Then I'll sprinkle some cocoa powder over it. If you are a person who craves for chocolate a lot, then unsweetened cocoa powder can be your best friend. You can add it in any of the smoothie and taste that flavor of chocolate without any guilt. And then at last I'll drizzle some honey over it. It's your choice. If you want, you can top it with some honey, or maybe you can add the honey while blending the smoothie. And the perfect smoothie for breakfast is ready to be served. This will keep you full for longer hours. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing a lot of healthy and quick recipes for you all. To watch all those videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next time, stay happy and spread happiness.